The Lok Sabha has rejected the Constitution 131st Amendment Bill, which seeks to expand the strength of the House and revise the framework governing delimitation and implementation of women's reservation. The bill received only 298 votes in its favor, while 230 MPs opposed it after a heated debate that began on Thursday and went past midnight into Friday. Following the defeat of the Constitution Amendment Bill, Union Minister Kiran Rijiju withdrew the Delimitation Bill 2026 and the Union Territories Laws Amendment Bill 2026. These bills propose to increase the seats of the Lok Sabha and state assemblies on the basis of the 2011 census and to implement women's reservation along with the delimitation. The opposition parties opposed bills on the grounds that the increase of seats on the basis of the 2011 census will disproportionately reduce the representation of the southern and northeastern states. The opposition also questioned the hasty move to implement delimitation when the 2026-27 census is underway. The Constitution 131st Amendment Bill proposed to increase the Lok Sabha's strength from 543 to 850 seats with a maximum of 815 members representing states and up to 35 representing union territories. In parallel, it proposes amendment to Article 334A to allow implementation of one-third reservation for women immediately after delimitation instead of linking it to a post-census exercise. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has asserted that opposition has committed a mistake by not supporting the Women's Reservation Bill and will face consequences. The Prime Minister added that opposition must face the consequences and answer the women. On the other hand, Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra hailed the defeat of Delimitation Bill in the Parliament as a victory of democracy and accused the centre of hatching a conspiracy to alter the federal structure of the country. Priyanka also asked the centre to bring back the bill that was passed unanimously in 2023, while maintaining that opposition supports women's reservation in principle but opposes linking it with delimitation and census processes.